Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another video. We are on the charts today. It is Monday. New York opening is happening right now, or New York Open is happening right now. So we're going to jump right into it, and how I'm going to structure these trading videos is I'm going to wait till the New York Open, like right now, so we can have a little bit more time watching actual movement with New York volatility and volume. Then we're going to find the daily bias and the time frame of the bias of all the time frames, check for any building blocks in the high time frames, then our 30-minute building blocks, and see if we can find an entry, or see if we're waiting for a setup and taking it later today. So something that I am looking at right now is I feel like this candlestick and this closure are a bullish break of structure. This is a market structure shift. This is a high in this very long set of lows, and it is breaking structure to the upside. This could be a daily retrace into this fair value gap. So we do have a little daily fair value gap right here. So either that'll be an inverse or a invalidated, or it will be a real fair value gap. And I'm seeing it off of something like this. Looks like this right here to me. Looks like this, but then news happened. So, oh, that wasn't news. That was something else. There's this one. Got above this high. So I believe that's what would tell me a bullish bias off of this break of structure on the daily. However, on the weekly, it's so consolidated that on the weekly, I think yesterday we said this was going to be just consolidation and a little bit of bearish bias. But this is a higher low and a lower high. So that would look like this. So a little bit of just consolidation here. Nothing like any of this previous price action that we're seeing up here. Let me take just 2 seconds. I want to see if we can find any sort of consolidation right here, because like this in the past, I mean, there's this weak consolidation, but nothing that's like up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. It's still going down, but like equal high, like bullish candlesticks. I mean, maybe you could say like this stuff here. I mean, it definitely keeps its bias. None of these are break of structure. That was a break of structure to the upside, retraced. That's a break of structure to the upside, retraced. So I don't know. I'm starting to think that this is about to be weekly consolidation. Weekly is fucking chopped right now, in my opinion, for understanding what the fuck that's gonna do. This could still be in a daily bearish bias, but there's a daily fair value gap right here where we'd have to see what would happen. And there's this break of structure. If we definitely got above this high, then we would definitely know we're in like a long-term break of structure. Let's check the 4 hour, see if the 4 hour broke of structure. So the 4 hour, dude, ads are so bad. So this is where we're getting the bearish bias. And let's see, so that daily break of structure is right there. Right here. Yeah, this move is the daily break of structure. The 4 hour break of structure is off, well, all of this one break of structure. These would be the most recent highs that closed. This will tick up, so that one didn't. So this is a 4 hour break of structure for this high. Hold on, I'll just get rid of these guys. And this daily fair value gap is not really anything too wild on the 4 hour, but there is a 4 hour order block right here. This move down that caused the rest of the move up. So maybe we could do daily FEG. Order OB. I don't know why I put this so far out. Just throw it right there for now. A little bit of a fair value gap here, but it got tapped into on this little retrace. Another one here tapped into. I think with the that liquidity on the left side right here covers this iniquity. Like, I mean, that's not even a fair value gap anyway, so my trade somewhere in there. It's fucking with me. Not really much else on the 4 hour. Like, this would have been an order block for this move up, this for this one, now this for this move up. So we are on a 4 hour break of structure. Even with this candle counts as the high because it's high, bullish, bearish, high, low. So you count the top, and then this one would have been down, up, and so that would have been a low right there. So this is a 4 hour break of structure as well, but these are just retracements. So this is the first one right here. This candle closing against this high, and even it just getting above this is also kind of a little bit of a stronger confirmation, in my opinion, when it gets up above these and filled this imbalance. So inverse fair value gap here as well. That's something I'm trying to learn as well. That was an inverse fair value gap, got smoked, so it's a bullish break of structure. Nothing else on the 4 hour from what my eyes can see. Oh, are these break of structure low right here? Oh my goodness, that's close. Yo, that's a tiny fucking interval. No, I would say no. Oh, it wanted to. All right, so that's where that consolidation might be coming into a play and being scary for us. So that's really fucking close to a bearish break of structure, in my opinion. It is below this one, but that wouldn't have been the most recent. So now this has to close lower than this to be a bearish break of structure to the downside. We got 3 hours to see what's going to happen with that. Okay, so 4 hours checked. 4 hours a little bit on the bearish side. Yeah, that's not great. Looks a little spooky. This could have caused the break of structure, not gonna lie, and that just retraced and came back lower to get at like a discount to go bearish. But we have a daily FEG and a 4 hour order block to go bullish. Check this 1 hour right quick. Try and speed this up. I'm already at 8 minutes. Didn't know how we got there. Wait, let me make, no. Alright, we'll just be quick. That didn't get hit. 4 hour order block didn't get hit. No, it's not yet. Okay. Consolidating. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Look at these doji. It doesn't fucking know. Do we have any sort of like a high break of structure to the upside? Gets a little higher. That's probably Asia session if I had to guess. Yep. Dude, I'm telling you, this in between a London and Asia session, this little shit going on, I don't know, bro. That shit, every time, it's like, just follows where it was going, like, already, just a little bit. Drops. 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 Boom. Alright, they get a doji and a break of structure. Boom. Tried it. Gone. Tried it. Fucking crazy candle. Boom. Could have been like news or something. 30-minute. Let's see. London is hitting the... So London hit the Asia lows. And then... Oh, bang, dude. I'm getting good at that, too. So London hit the Asia lows. Here. Smoked them. Break of structure to the upside. And then... Fucking lied. Inverse fair value gap. 30-minute. Smoked it. Hit the lows again. Now, New York is going for London lows. New York hit London lows here. And it could inverse. That would be my only guess. We have no other bullish. The 30-minute. What did I say the 1 hour was on? High. Look at this low. 1 hour is on a break of structure to the downside. Yeah, 1 hour is on a bearish break of structure. So, weekly is consolidating. It's a whole bunch of fucking bullshit, honestly. This is on a bullish break of structure. Daily's on a bullish break of structure. 4 hour. Hold on, sorry. What did we say 4 hour was at? Pretty freaking close to a bearish. It's acting like it. Could just be a 4 hour retrace for this daily retrace. So daily is on a bullish break of structure. 4 hour is going down, a little bit of bearish, but it's on a bullish break of structure as well. 1 hour looks like shit. That's pretty close to bearish as well. I think it's just a daily retrace. I think that's my final conclusion for today. I like this, honestly. It just helps me. I think the conclusion is that it's a bearish, or it's a daily retrace. So we need to either find the move that is going to cause this move up, which might be this daily fair value gap, or this 4 hour order block. Could be this daily order block as well, because this is a little higher and it overlaps. It could get like all the way into this. There's daily equilibrium. I'm trying to get used to working with the higher time frames instead of just working in the lower time frames. Off that retrace candle. Where's my middle point? Hello. And it falls right in line with everything else, right at the overlap of the fair value gap. So this could be a daily retrace from this bullish break of structure. Get it in a discount to go long, even though the rest of this shit looks ass. I think that means it's a daily bearish retrace into this daily equilibrium, because I have nothing else. That's already gotten tapped. I should have just marked out the highs and the lows. So New York is going for these London lows. That could also affect what's about to happen. But if it doesn't, which it's not followed, hit them and went up. We could see it when that was filling an imbalance. also filling an imbalance. New York seems to like to fill the imbalances caused. Imbalance got halfway, went lower. Imbalance, like this middle area, filled it. Tried to, took a long time to get there. Filled the imbalance on these highs, so yeah. Nothing like a liquidity sweep yet, unless it gets below here, and then we'll see a liquidity sweep on the 30-minute. So yeah, it has to actually be like all the way down here. So a lot going on there, and that is scary. So I hope I feel like I'm getting better at just like calling these things out. I want to be working with the higher time frames more to truly understand where it's trying to go and not getting caught up in these low time frames. The trading sessions is also important to think, and we could continue to test. So if this method of this just broke structure on the 15-minute, and if it gets past here, it'll break structure on it broke structure right here on the 30-minute, but it came back because New York pre-market. So I think I'm getting a little bit better at calling it out for what it is, but I need the market experience to understand truly where it's headed. So we will find out if this is just going to respect the lows and come back up to maybe these Asia highs, anything of that sort. Let's see if we perchance had a long position go in like right here and we targeted 1, 2, 3 and we took it below these lows. Yeah, I mean, that would be a ridiculous fucking trade. So we could just even hit the London highs and it would be 4-1 if it's below this low. It's pretty nuts. These highs and lows do move a lot, and that's a pretty big imbalance, which now there is a bearish fair value gap right there. If this candle closed, depending on this closure, I think this shit's gonna smoke the London lows. Liquidity sweep that shit. Probably fly up if we are using our normal structure of hitting the London lows and liquidity sweeping them. Who knows? We shall see. We shall return in the shorts videos today. So hopefully you guys understand where I'm heading with this, what I'm thinking. Let me know your thoughts. I believe this is a little bit getting a little bit easier for me to look at, understand, looking for more of, now this is a daily OB because I moved it. So looking for these high time frame movements, understanding the whole equilibrium is right here now, and really seeing if that's something that can be played with, and then understanding that this means it's probably in a bearish structure, even though we have these breaker structures in here, but they're not helping. Like someone would have said that was a breaker structure, but it's all fucking, this is all Asia session, so, or this is, and then this is London, so probably gonna see a liquidity sweep on these London lows and then a breaker structure to the upside. We shall see, and I will return later, a little bit longer, a little bit more in depth, a little bit better at the trading and understanding it and doing it quickly. But the best thing for me is to act like I'm teaching somebody and I get to learn a little bit better. So I'm trying to not make sure we're not getting caught up too much in these low time frames, going through everything to look for our building blocks. And I really think that this is looking like a daily retrace from just how strong these building blocks are and like how they're overlapping here, equilibrium here, daily fair value gap here as well. It's screaming a retrace, so we want to be able to hit this long movement. and get something out of it, hopefully. So no news, and other than that, can't do much, and I've got to go. So I appreciate you guys for watching. This is just going to be something I'm doing for me to learn, as well as if anybody sees this, I hope you enjoy. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning and in all of the future videos this week. Peace out.